going to show you how to put on the soft close glides. At first, you can get one of the, in the bags, you'll get one of these plastic pieces. Like one of these baggies. I'll have this in. You can make your own little jig. And what I did was just kind of a hole, like just where those holes are, is where you're going to want to put them. And when you pre-drill them, you're just going to want to use the bottom hole on them. So I'll show you how to do that. Come over here and just put that in. So go towards the bottom one, pre-drill that hole, go to the next one, pre-drill that. Usually it's easier when the cabinet's unassembled, when this is not assembled to the cabinet. After you do that, you'll grab your brackets, you'll grab your screws that come in the baggie with the little plastic things that go into here. What you want to do is put them like this in there, and that hole that you just drilled, you're going to put it into that slot right there, just probably around the center of that. And you put the other one just in that, just in the top slot. Just pretty much make it to where it looks like it's even. Same thing on the other side. Next, you have your glides. Just take these pieces out, unclip them, just pull that out. Grab 2 more screws. I'll be in the baggie as well. And then there'll be pre-drilled holes already on the cabinet itself. Just right there. And what you'll do, you'll just lift this up. You can see the hole right there. You just align that hole. Screw it in. And the next is you're going to want to take off the glides that are already on the door pieces. Remove the 2 screws. And you'll want to keep these screws, put the other glides on. Next, you want to put this end towards the front of the drawer, and then I use a square and I do 1 centimeter up from the bottom of the drawer. Line right there. And drill holes. Very front hole. And the rear. Grab the screws. Same thing on the other side. Grab your drawer, put them into the glides, push it in. So you do that. Then sometimes they won't go smoothly, so you can go to the back over here and you can adjust these brackets in or out, and that will help to make the drawer will help the drawer go smoothly if it's tight.